Hi, I'm Heather. There's lots of ways to improve your credit score. Everywhere you look these days, there are ads for credit counselors offering to help you restore your credit. But mortgage brokers do this as a part of our everyday service while not resorting to consumer proposals or bankruptcy as options. Here are 3 tips from my Credit Score Basics 101 repair sheet. Number 1, only use 50% of the credit limit granted. For example, if you have a $10,000 limit, try not to go over $5,000. Number 2, which is probably the most important, make the minimum payment every month on time. Even if it's only a $10 payment, showing that you can make that payment responsibly every month is what they're looking for. Number 3, if you have a trade line or trade lines that you are not using, don't close them. The computer only reads closed due to a negative action, not a positive action, and this will reflect badly on your credit score. It's important to remember, if you have bruised credit, there are ways to strategize around it, and we can find the right mortgage for you.